Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to check conversion rate on Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to check conversion rate on Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to check conversion rate on Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to check conversion rate on Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Checking conversion rate is most important part of your advertisement. If it is low, it means you are doing something wrong in your campaign. So how to check conversion rate? It is very easy. First, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons on left corner. Click on Analytics. Scroll down a bit. Here in conversion rate. From here, you can judge your product potential and advertisement strategy. There you go. If you wanted to know how to check conversion rate on Shopify, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.